Weird stuff there. What is that, man?
I think it's the pump for this.
You know, and this lady who was once an educator with a master in education got caught up with some bad life choices, you know, Narcotics Anonymous gear inside and stuff, and just really bad stuff. So I had to end up meeting the homeowner who was frustrated dealing with these problem tenants, and we stood in and helped him get all the stuff out of the house. But it just shows you, like, life choices can drastically affect our well-being, you know, drastically affect everything around us, you know. And this lady who was once an educator with a master in education got caught up with some bad life choices, you know, Narcotics Anonymous gear inside and stuff, and just really bad stuff. So long story short, we pull up this morning and offered to help them load the rest of their stuff. On the way out, this lady panhandled me in front of the house that she used to live in. She asked me for $5. You don't happen to have $5 by any chance? Anyways, just really sad to see how things like that can unfold, you know. But our goal here is to clean this up, fix it up, and be able to deliver a win-win situation for the homeowner, and it will be our next potential flip in the Rosewood area. What you working with, Smiley?
Huh?
What you working with?
Bed frame.
Classic. Check this out. We got this ugly tree in the front of the house that we had to cut the limbs a little bit just to make a walkway. Then you come up to the front, you got this nice palmetto tree. Trim this back. It's a nice little brick house off of Rosewood. Who would have known? Boom, boom. We train hard in these parts. Getting ready for the Masters. Ready to go to the Masters this year?
Always.
Augusta, GA?
I was born ready.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Come from a family of golfers.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
You guys got the good stuff in here?
Oh yeah.
Foxtrot.
Came straight from China.
Moving sale. You guys, whatever you can carry and haul, you can have. Some weird stuff there. What is that, man?
I think it's the pump for this.